Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to Enjoy Learning English. I am Jane.
And I'm Chris. Hello. It's really nice to see you today.
Yes, Chris, welcome, everyone. This is a very calm place, a very slow place, a very friendly place to learn English. We always speak slowly here. We use very easy words. We use very short sentences. Today, our topic is very nice. The topic is Slow English for a Short Travel Talk. We will talk about travel, but very simple travel, very easy travel, only short trips. This is perfect for beginners, A1 level, A2 level. So please relax now. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath, in and out. Good. No stress today. Only easy English, only fun English. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. I like this topic very much. Travel is fun, but for beginners, sometimes travel feels big, feels difficult. Today we make it small. We make it easy. We make it slow. No hurry, just calm conversation. Exactly. Just calm, just easy, just practice. Okay, Chris, how are you feeling today? I'm feeling good. A little sleepy, but happy. I drank coffee this morning, hot coffee. It was nice. Now I'm here with you and with all our friends watching. How are you today? I'm good too. Thank you for asking. Today the weather is nice. The sun is out. The sky is blue. It makes me smile. Do you like sunny days, Chris? Yes, I like sunny days very much. On sunny days, I feel strong. I feel happy. I want to walk outside, maybe go to a park, maybe talk about travel. Sunny days are the best. Yes, sunny days and travel. They go together. Very good combination. Okay, let's do some small talk first. Speaker Chris, did you sleep well last night? Yes, I slept very well. I slept 8 hours, maybe 9 hours. I like to sleep a lot. When I sleep well, I feel good all day. And you? Did you sleep well? I slept okay. Not too long, maybe 7 hours. But it was enough. Sometimes at night, I think about new places, new cities, new parks, new beaches. It makes me excited. Then I can't sleep more. Haha, I understand. I do the same. When I think about a trip, my mind goes fast. I see pictures in my head. I see a lake. I see mountains. Ice cream. Then no more sleep. Yes, ice cream again. You always talk about ice cream because ice cream is important. Okay. Let's talk about travel now. Speaker Chris, do you like to travel? Yes, I like to travel, but I like short travel. Short trips. 1 day, 2 days, maximum 3 days. Short trips are easy. No big stress. What about you? Same. I like short trips too. Long trips are nice but tiring. Short trips are perfect. I go, I see something new, I come back home. Home is always good. Yes, home is the best place after a short trip. Okay, let's imagine something. We meet a new person. We want to talk. We talk about travel, but very simple, very easy. Let's practice now. Good idea. I start. Hello, nice to meet you. Do you like to travel? Hello, nice to meet you too. Yes, I like to travel, but short trips only. I like the beach. I like the mountains. And you? What do you like? I like the city. Big city, small city. I like to walk. I like to see people. I like to eat new food. New food, yes, very important. Food is big fun and travel. True. When I travel, I always try new food. Pizza, very good. Ice cream, very good. Fresh fruit, very good. Everything. Ice cream again. My favorite is chocolate ice cream. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Pause the video, please. Say this sentence slowly. I like to travel. Say it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Ready? Go. Very good. You did it. Now say another sentence. I like short trips. Slowly, clearly, 3 times. Go. Excellent. Don't worry if it's slow. Slow is perfect. Slow helps you remember. Slow helps you feel confident. Yes, very true. Now let's go a little deeper. Speaker Chris, why do you like short trips? I like short trips because it's very easy. I don't need a big bag. I take a small bag. One t-shirt, one pair of pants, one toothbrush, one bottle of water. That's all. Very light, very simple. Haha, yes, small bag is the best. No heavy luggage, no waiting a long time. I do the same. Small bag, easy to carry, easy to walk. And money. Short trips cost less money. Bus ticket, small. One-night hotel, small. One-day food, small. Not expensive. More fun, less money. Perfect. Less money, more smiles. Okay, now let's talk about places. Where do you go for a short trip? I like to go to a park, a big park, with green trees, with a small lake. I walk slowly, I sit on a bench, I eat a sandwich, I drink water. Very peaceful, very nice. I like that. Park is good. I also like a small town near my city. I take the bus, 1 hour only. I walk in the streets, I see old houses, I see flowers. I drink coffee in a small cafe. I talk to people. Very nice day. Yes, talking to people is very important. In travel, we talk. Simple talk, easy talk. Hello, how are you? Nice day today. Short sentences. People smile, people answer. Exactly. Listeners, let's practice now. Pause. Say this slowly, with a smile. Hello, nice day. Say it 3 times. Go. Good. Very good. Now make it longer. Hello, nice day. Do you like this place? Say it slowly, 3 times. Perfect. You can use these sentences in real life, when you travel, when you walk in your city, when you meet someone. Practice everywhere, every day. Okay, now let's talk about how we go. Transport. How do you travel on a short trip? I like the bus. Bus is cheap. Bus is slow, but nice. I look out the window. I see trees. I see houses. I see people. Very relaxing. I like the train. Train is comfortable. I sit down. I look out the window. I listen to music. I feel very relaxed. Train is good. Yes. Or car, if a friend drives. We talk, we laugh, we eat snacks. Very fun. True. But I don't drive. So bus or train for me. Same here. No car. Bus is my favorite. Okay, listeners, repeat after me. I like bus. I like train. Say both sentences 3 times each. Great job. Now a question. How do you feel when you travel? I feel happy. Very happy. I feel excited. A little nervous, but good nervous. New place, new air, new sounds. I smile a lot. Same for me. Excited. I smile, I take photos, I say, wow. Wow, beautiful. Wow, nice food. Wow, big tree. Haha, wow is a very good word. Easy word. Strong word. Use it a lot. Yes. Now let's make a longer conversation. Imagine we meet after the weekend. We talk about our short trips. Okay, I start. Hi, Speaker Chris. Did you travel last weekend? Hi, Speaker Chris. Yes, I did. I went to a lake. Short trip. Only 1 day. It was very nice. Oh, good. What did you do there? I walked around the lake. I ate fresh fish. I saw many birds. I sat near the water. Very peaceful. Sounds wonderful. I also traveled. I went to the city. I walked in a big park. I drank coffee. I saw children playing. Nice. Very nice. We both like short trips. Yes. Short trips are best for beginners. Easy, fun, no big problems. True. Listeners, your turn now. Pause. Say these sentences. I went to the park. It was nice. 3 times slowly. Good. Very good. You are getting better. Every time a little better. Now let's talk about small problems. Sometimes in travel, small problems happen. Yes. For example, rain. Rain comes suddenly. You get wet. Or bus is late. You wait 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Or no seat in the bus. You stand. Or you lose the way. You don't know the road. But it's okay. Small problems. We smile. We say, no problem. Yes, no problem is a very good phrase. Use it a lot. Listeners, say it now. No problem. Slowly.
3 times. Good. Now more useful sentences. If you lose the way, you say, "Excuse me, where is the park?" Yes, excuse me is very polite. People like to help. They answer, they smile, and always say, "Thank you. Thank you very much." Yes, 3 important words. Please, thank you, sorry. Small words, big help. Okay, back to food. Food is always fun in travel. Yes, what food do you like when you travel? Simple food. Sandwich with cheese, fresh fruit, apple, banana, orange, cold water. Very easy. I like that. I also like ice cream. Every day, ice cream. Summer, ice cream. Winter, ice cream. Always good. Haha, yes, ice cream is never bad. Okay, practice time. Say, I like ice cream. I like fruit. 3 times each.